Hello beauties, welcome again to Winnie Styles. How are you guys doing? I want you guys to please check out this beautiful short haircut for older women. This is a must-try haircut for reason because they add that carefree vibes to your hair. It's a wash and go haircut that is also a low maintenance cut. It makes the styling process easier than ever. This haircut is the haircut that you can just wake up from the sleep and you are good to go. You can see how the style is a perfect haircut for a modern texture. So if you really want that bold hair makeover, this is a style for you to try. It's a style that will give you a new cut and make you feel confident, and it will always reignite the sparkle of youth in your look. Another beautiful thing about this beautiful short natural hairstyle is that they are classic and timeless haircuts, and is a style that suits most face shapes. It provides that particular flattering look, and you can see how it's a silky tools for a youthful look. So if you really want this haircut or you want other styles, please, I would like you to watch this video to the end, because we have some beautiful styles that looks both expensive and effortless, and is enough to give you your dream haircut. If it's the first time here in Winnie Styles, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video, and let us know your minds in the comment section below. I just want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome to Winnie Styles, and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.